But so we go back. I like your sport analogy. But we go back to the same problem. I think we're still not at the center of the question. So our industry specialist is the coach, and he tells us, well, me, I know, I have the experience, I can see, I have the expert's eye to see the talent. And you're like, well, no, because we can identify markers and we have like a baseline, and with those different KPIs and indicators, those markers, we can have a sort of a weighted average or a way to measure those markers and come to something. So do you think that explaining the process and how you use those markers to get to a sort of a data measured and data driven solution is the way to go about it, instead of saying, let me do it, we have AI and we can solve that for you? That's what you're saying, right? To really explain that it's not AI or anything. It's like we measure those markers, we analyze all the data around each marker, then we have a formula that gives that some ponderation of anything mathematically. And then through enough data, aka in that case, filming the players to see when they tick the box in those markers, we can come to a result. Is that what you're saying?
Okay, yes. So in order to understand how it works, it must be clear how a machine learning project gets to an optimum solution. So the point is, it's counterintuitive for a person because it goes backwards. So the most important thing, as I mentioned in the beginning, is to understand the goal and how to measure the quality of your goal, right? Which is counterintuitive because in the beginning, a human will start thinking about the algorithm. Basically, the way machine learning works is like, forget about the algorithm. The machine will solve it. But what you need to be very clear is what you want to achieve.